This is Forage and Urban Farming here. This right here is the shed I built for my nanny goats. This how it's all snug and safe and secure and in pretty fair condition, considering it's built out of recycled pallets. Now this over here, oops, is the shed I built for our billy goat. Beat to within an inch of its life. This is what billy goats do. I've rebuilt this thing and rebuilt it, and you can see the board across the top, or even bolted it to a tree, and he still beats it to pieces. So the chore for today, I'm going to tear this down and try to rebuild it into sort of an A-frame that he can't tear up. So here we go. Okay, shed is fully dismantled except for the floor. I'm going to start building it back, and my plan is to build an A-frame that the goat can get in and lay down, and that'd be about it. I don't want him to have room to butt stuff, because I mean that's what he does. He butts things very hard and knocks it to pieces. So that's where we're at right now. We're going to try to make this as short and sweet as possible. I'm trying to let y'all skip all the tedious things like taking that apart. And I might start the video again when I've just about got it back together. I've got to come up with a game plan of how these parts are going to fit, so that's where I'm at right now. Okay guys, kind of see where I'm going with this. I mean, it's going to be far from perfect, but I think it'll be a pretty decent house. It'll give him shelter. And I'm going to put a tarp over it to make it more waterproof, put a back on it, but that's what I'm looking at. I'm hoping he won't have room to ram stuff from inside, but it'll give him shelter. So that's where we're headed. I'll give you an update as we go.